Wednesday, November 5th. It's about 25 till 2 in the afternoon, aka 1:35 p.m. for you younger folks. We got a northbound train coming. They have no idea what it is. Had my radio off because I got batteries running low and didn't bring my charger. So we can get an axle count after it goes by. I've got the radio with me and turned it on, so we'll get an axle count after it comes by. Should be showing up any second. I hear, but I cannot see. Need to pay attention. Get focused in on the center here. And keep my finger out of the lens. This phone's easy to get your finger in the lens. I think he's rolling slow. If he is, he's on the siding. We'll see. I see him now. And guess what? I believe he is on the siding. So we'll see if he clears or not. He's coming in up here in anticipation of a southbound coming eventually. I know there was 1 or 2 trains last night came through on the siding. I kept getting woke up by him. He's rolling slow. So he got a yellow until his next signal. He'll do whatever it says. Either stop or proceed or go to the next one. Rolling quiet. Empty cold. See how big it is. Got my little buddy here. What is that? Huh, Carter? Got my friend here. You tell him, boy. Huh? What is that? Yesterday I had a loaded train go the other direction, a coal train. Georgia Power. Saw one of these empty come on the siding before. It was 2 trains in one. It was huge. It had like 200 cars. If he doesn't stop, we'll get an axle count. Well, maintaining speed. I saw a maintenance of the way came through earlier about 20 minutes ago on the main, so this might be why he's on the side. Sounds like he's picking up speed. Maybe it just went down the siding because the maintenance of the way was on the main. Oh yeah, kicking it up. Got a green light, no doubt. Got a signal less than a half mile up past me here. It's about a 5-mile siding here, 5 miles long. I'm about the middle of it. Oh yeah, he's calling the mail now. In with a DPU. Man, they're moving. This guy probably was loud coming by. Oh yeah. That's a good one. Let's get an axle count. It's going to take a minute. Sorry I got out of frame reaching for my radio. Alright, let's see what they say here. Got my dog here. Say our dog. He's more mommy's than mine. He's a mama's boy. Is that right? That's right. You're a mama's boy. Yeah. We'll get an axle count here. I know, boy. I'm waiting. He says, come on, let's go back up. We're waiting. Say hi, dear. There we go. It's my lovely wife. Best thing that ever happened to me. Still waiting. Still waiting. Let's see what we get. I don't think I have the volume down too far.
CSX detector, milepost 33.3, track main 2, no defects. Repeat, no defects. Total axles 518.
There you go.
Detector
518, 125 cars, I think. Math right.
Good report, no defects. Menzies defects detected. CSX locomotive 3331 north out.
There you go. So 18 axles on the locomotives, 500 on the cars, divided by 4, and I believe it's 125. Thanks for watching.